What we want you to see today is how you were born for this opportunity. How St. X can do so many things for you.
Whatever hurts my brother hurts me, and whatever helps my brother helps me. So we challenge our young guys each day. We can't put it on a t-shirt, we can't put it on a wall, we've got to live that.
As a parent, I want to know that St. X is a school for all learners, because that's who my two boys represent. Our goal as a school community is to get those students challenged, prepared for life, with an Xavier charism in the background.
You guys will spend a lot of time here. I want you to feel like this is a place that you can call home.
And when your son walks across our stage in graduation in 4 years, we know he's ready for whatever the world has for him.